Today, I take this opportunity to thank the Chief Election Commissioner who, on the request of many Christian organizations from the hills of Manipur and also Christian party workers, including myself, for changing the day of polling from Sunday to Monday. And I would also like to thank Prime Minister Narendra Modi for being sensitive to the sensitivities of the tribal Christians of Manipur and changing the date of polling from Sunday to Monday. This is unprecedented sensitivity of the BJP government. So I would like to say to all the detractors of the BJP that BJP is not anti-Christian. BJP is for India. BJP is for Indians, whether they are Hindus, whether they are Christians, Muslims. BJP is for development, inclusive development for all. So finally, my sincere thanks to Bhupendra Yadavji, the state election in charge, who, without wasting any time, communicated my request through him to the central government and through the central government to the CEC to effect this change. So let's show our appreciation. BJP, long live! Narendra Modi ji, long live! Bhupendra Yadav ji, long live! CM Biren ji, long live! Thank you.